Let's make a Captain and Ginger. To make this drink, we are going to start by filling our glass with ice. The official glass is a Highball or a Collins. Fill it with ice. This is... Did something to my wrist, my hand technically, so that was a lot more difficult than it should have been. Hopefully it goes easier for you. Now I'm going to add my rum. And I'm going to add in 1.5 ounces of Captain Morgan Original Spiced Rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Oh, I didn't think about this. I'm going to pour left-handed. Wish me luck. If I was making this for myself, I'd probably put 2 ounces of rum at least. Next, ginger beer or ginger ale. This is going to be equally difficult, isn't it? Let's see if I can do this. I don't know if that's a twist off or not, but it's not a twist off today. Anyway, so then 3 ounces of this, and again, normally I would not measure this out, I just top it off, but 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. That's less comfortable than I'd like it to be. And I'm going to measure it out just for purposes. And they also say you can use ginger ale instead of ginger beer. Do whichever one you like. Personally, I only like ginger ale on airplanes. Oh, and that worked out almost perfectly, didn't it? Put my cap back on there to save some carbonation. Add a straw. And garnish. There is an official garnish for this drink, and that is either a pineapple chunk or a piece of candied ginger. And honestly, why or when you can do and? And that's it. The Captain and Ginger Drink with Good Spirits.